What's the messiest thing you've ever witnessed at a party? I was at my friend Lily's birthday when her boyfriend Mark grabbed the mic and said he had a surprise. The room cheered. Lily froze. Mark smiled too wide and said, "Before we move in together, everyone deserves the truth." Music cut. You could hear the ice clinking in glasses. He pulled out his phone and turned the screen toward the crowd. "Play it loud!" someone yelled. He did. It was a screen recording of texts. Lily's name at the top, heart emojis, plans to meet at a condo. Lily started shaking, whispering, "That's not mine." Mark's voice cracked. "So you're saying this is fake?" People were already filming. Her friends were crying. Mark's sister nodded like she knew it all along. Then Mark said, "I paid a guy to recover deleted messages because I felt something was off." Gasps everywhere. "I'm done being lied to," he said. That's when I noticed the timestamps. They said Wednesday night. But Lily was with me Wednesday night, stuck in traffic for 4 hours driving to my mum's surgery. We posted stories together, same clothes, same time. I asked Mark to hand me the phone. He hesitated. I zoomed in. The contact photo wasn't Lily's, it was a stock image, and the phone number wasn't saved, just labeled with her name. "This is spoofed," I said. "Anyone can fake this." Mark's sister started yelling that I was covering for her. Then Lily found her voice. "Mark, you used an app to generate fake messages. That's why you wouldn't show me your phone last week." Mark went pale. He started saying he just needed proof, that he wanted to see if she'd confess. Confess to what? Something that never happened. Someone Googled the app name visible in the corner of the screen. It literally advertised realistic fake chats. The room flipped. People turned on Mark instantly. Lily started crying, not from guilt, but from humiliation. She broke up with him on the spot, handed back the apartment keys, walked out to applause. Mark tried to follow her, saying it was a test. Tests don't involve public humiliation. They never got back together. But months later, people still ask Lily what really happened, because once doubt is planted, proof doesn't matter. Some lies aren't meant to be true, they're meant to be believed.